In this lesson, we're going to look at the spectrum of AI solutions so that when you discuss AI from a business perspective, you have a very clear framework of thinking about the solutions and where they fall into. The way I do this is I think of AI having two levels. You have the surface level and then the deep level of AI. Let's talk about the surface level of AI solutions. The surface level, I further break down into two parts, top level and the bottom level. The top level is where you have tools like your AI chatbots that you use to generate marketing copy, generate images, and others where you can manipulate audio. These are tools that are very convenient, easy to get started with, and are mostly used by individuals and small businesses. The bottom level of the surface level of AI solutions is where you have no-code, low-code AI automation tools. These are tools that are a bit more sophisticated than the top level of the surface level of AI tools, and they give you far more control as to how you use them and how you fit them into your own business processes. You can create workflows that start with certain parts of the process, carry out some kind of transformation, and involve AI in the process and produce some kind of output. This is also used by small businesses and a lot of mid-sized businesses. But the challenge with this is that you lose some control and flexibility when you operate with these kinds of tools. And at the same time, there are privacy concerns because your data is being consumed by a third-party solution that you have no control over. Now let's talk about the deep level of AI solutions. Now, just like the surface level, this is also further broken down into two parts. So you have the top level of the deep level of AI solutions. This is where you have AI integration. And what this means is you take existing AI models. AI models are just like AI programs or a set of instructions or algorithms that gives you that raw intelligence. So you take existing AI models and fit it into your own business processes, usually using some kind of custom software to wrap the AI and connect it to your existing business systems. Now, obviously, this is a bit more complicated than any of the surface level AI tools, but when you take this approach to AI integration in your business, it gives you more control, more flexibility, and privacy over your data. So if these three things are concerns for you with AI, then it's always best to do some kind of AI integration. This is used mostly by mid-sized businesses and very large corporations. Now let's talk about the bottom level of the deep end of AI solutions. Here, AI models are built from scratch, where you have experts who take data, process it, clean it up, and use that data to train AI models. It's a very complicated process and an expensive process, but then you end up with AI models that deeply understand your business processes and its data. This is mostly done by large corporations due to the costs involved and the level of expertise needed. And even after developing these AI models, it still needs to be integrated for it to be applied to specific business problems. So as a mid-sized business owner, this may not be a viable solution for you because of the costs involved. So I hope this gives you a framework of understanding AI solutions. You have the surface, the deep level, and each one is broken into its own top level, bottom level for each. The next lesson, we're going to talk about how to augment intelligence within your business. How do you merge or use human intelligence and artificial intelligence, giving the best combination for your own specific business processes?